In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Tickmill. Now, you want to go ahead and first go to tickmill.com/eu/trade, and then you're going to basically be able to sign in to your either demo or live account. And after you do that, you'll be able to see on which one you are. So I'm currently on my demo account on the platform MT5. And then, of course, after you are in here, you can go ahead and start trading. And I'm going to show you how to actually use this interface because it's very simple. The first thing you want to do up here, you want to search for the symbol. So for example, over here, I'm going to go ahead and search for some cryptos. And here I have Bitcoin USD. Let's say this is what I want to trade. Click on that, and it's going to pop up on your graph over here. Now, after you have this, you can of course go ahead and you can do all the chart analysis. You can have all the different crosshairs. You can draw different lines on here on your graphs. You can go ahead and put in different things over here. So as you can see, different lines, different grids. You can create rectangles, circles, as you would on pretty much any graph, like for example, TradingView or whatever you have used in the past, because I'm sure you have. You can put on some text. You can hide the objects. You can do pretty much whatever you want over here on the left. Up here, top left, you can click on the menu. You can see your trading accounts, your chart settings, where you can basically set different things however you want. And then you can enable dark theme if you want to, set a different color template. Go ahead and, of course, you can just download MetaTrader 5. You can see the economic calendar, change the language, get the shortcuts, contact them, etc. Okay? Now, up here, the top left, you can see you can basically change the bars to either be enabled or disabled, so however you want these. And then you can also go ahead and, of course, switch between bars and candles over here. Here, you can also select if you actually want this kind of area or if you want the line. So you are basically pretty much open-handed, whatever you want to select. And here you can go ahead and select if you want to see volumes or if you want to see tick volumes, okay, because both are available. Then here, up here, you can go ahead and select the time span. So here is a 1 minute, you have 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week, and then 1 month. Here, what you can also do is basically, as you can see, it says trade is disabled for this symbol. So if it's not, you'll be able to go ahead and click on that button too. And you can also show the trade form, create a new order in case, of course, you can trade that specific symbol. Now up here, you can also add indicators. As you can see, there's going to be a bunch of them. So for example, like Bollinger Bands, you can customize them, add them in here, and you are ready to go. And here you can also hide the market watch if you want to, which is basically this part over here on the right hand side. So if you don't want it to disturb you, you can just turn that off. So here, let's just go ahead and I'm going to open up this. There we go. And let's now perform a trade. So to actually create a new order, it's very simple. You just want to go ahead and click on create new order at the bottom. If you can't see this, make sure your graph is actually like not all the way down to the bottom. Here, you want to click on create new order. You want to select the volume. So let's say I want to buy 1, and it's going to say how much, of course, that specific thing is. And of course, this is completely up to you what you want to do. And then here, if you want a stop loss or take profit, you can set these as well. I'm not going to do that right now. And you can add a comment for yourself if you want to as well. Then here, you can also sell by market or buy by market, as you can see over here. But you can also buy or sell by limit, buy or sell stop, or buy or sell stop limit. So this is completely up to you. We're gonna just buy by market over here, and it says market closed because of course it's not the current the correct time right now. But if the market is open, you'll be able to basically perform your purchases and buys and sells. Here you can also see how much your balance is on your account, and then your equity, your margins, your free margins, and then your levels over here. So that's pretty much it. This is how to use it. Down here at the bottom left, you also have your history if you want to view it. And here you have your journal if you would like to basically see what's going on inside your journal as well. Now, that's pretty much that when it comes to the usage. And at the very top right, you can also save the chart as an image right now. Or what you can also do is enable the full screen mode, which will put everything into full screen mode. So that's pretty much that when it comes to using Tickmill. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.